Hey guys, what's up? It's Timbot. I'm hanging out just having a nice cup of coffee, getting myself ready to head on over to STEAM Labs. Today's kind of a big day because we're going to be hosting 28 educators from across Ontario and doing a workshop on experiential learning. Hopefully we can raise interest in bringing some of those innovative techniques into the classroom. It's going to be great, so let's head on over, shall we? After, of course, we finish the Joe. I'll see you over there.
So I started doing these Saturday morning science things with my kids where we would try different experiments out, and we had a lot of fun. But I wanted to give them more. So in 2010, my wife and I started a makerspace in our garage, and we just started teaching kids to do tech things in the summer. It was my kids, their friends, their cousins, and we had 12 kids the first year, and we just started making stuff. And I wasn't a teacher, but I had this attitude of just, let's explore stuff, let's figure out things together, let's build things that you're interested in. We made a motion-activated Nerf sentry guns for their rooms. We made go-karts that we raced down a hill. Just stuff that they wanted to do that was fun and crazy.